How to add email on Grab application. Are guys facing issues to add email on Grab application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grab application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, again click on your profile. After you click on it, tap on email. Now write down the email according to your preference. After you write down the email, tap on save. After you click on save, Grab application will send you a verification code on your email. Just go over your email and tap on Grab application. You can see the option for verify my account. Tap on it. As soon as you click on it, your account will be verified. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add email on Grab application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.